Ever wondered how to stay safe while browsing, or what a VPN actually does to protect your privacy? Curious about how it keeps your connection private and safe from prying eyes? You're in the right place. Welcome to WhiteboardDoodles, the channel where we simplify tech-related concepts using whiteboard animations. Today, we'll explore VPNs, explaining how they work and why they're crucial for safeguarding your online privacy. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at what a VPN is. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a technology that creates a secure and encrypted connection between your device and the internet, acting as a private tunnel for your data. When using a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through an external server, masking your IP address and making it appear as though you are browsing from a different location. This not only helps protect your online privacy and data from hackers or surveillance, but also allows you to access geo-restricted content and browse the web anonymously. In essence, a VPN provides a layer of security, especially on public or unsecured networks. Next, let's take a look at different types of VPN protocols. VPN protocols are the methods by which a VPN establishes and secures the connection between your device and the internet. Some common types of VPN protocols include OpenVPN, which is known for its strong security and open-source nature, making it a popular choice for many users. IKE version 2 IPsec is another widely used protocol, offering fast speeds and stability, especially for mobile devices. L2TP IPsec is a combination of Layer 2 tunneling protocol and IPsec encryption, providing strong security, though it's slightly slower due to the double encapsulation process. PPTP is an older protocol that offers fast speeds but is considered less secure, while WireGuard is a newer, lightweight protocol that promises high performance and simpler setup with advanced encryption. Each protocol has its own strengths, depending on whether the priority is speed, security, or compatibility with various devices. Now, let's discuss VPN security features. VPNs offer several robust security features to protect your online activities and data. Encryption is a key component, ensuring that all data transmitted between your device and the VPN server is encoded, making it unreadable to anyone who might intercept it. For a deeper dive into encryption, we recommend watching our separate video on encryption and cryptography basics, which will be linked in the description. Authentication mechanisms verify the identities of both the user and the server, preventing unauthorized access. Another key feature is the use of secure VPN protocols like OpenVPN and IKE version 2 IPsec, which we mentioned earlier, to help maintain a safe connection. Additionally, many VPNs include a kill switch, which disconnects the internet if the VPN connection drops, preventing data leaks, and DNS leak protection to ensure your browsing remains private. Together, these features create a secure and private browsing environment. In addition to providing security, VPNs offer several other powerful features. By encrypting your internet traffic, a VPN prevents ISP monitoring, ensuring that your internet service provider cannot track your online activities or throttle your connection based on usage. VPNs are also effective in bypassing geo-restrictions, allowing you to access content that may be blocked or unavailable in your region, such as streaming services or websites. Furthermore, VPNs help you avoid censorship in regions where governments or institutions restrict access to certain websites or online services. By connecting through a VPN server in a different location, you can freely browse the web without limitations imposed by local regulations. These features make VPNs a vital tool for maintaining both privacy and access to information. Now, let's take a look at some limitations and considerations when using a VPN. Speed reduction is a common issue, as encrypting and routing your traffic through a VPN server can lead to slower internet speeds. Compatibility can also be a concern, as some websites or services may not function properly when accessed through a VPN. Additionally, while VPNs enhance privacy, they do not provide complete anonymity and cannot protect against all types of cyber threats or data breaches. For more on this, check out our separate video on the most common cyber attacks in the video description. Legal and policy restrictions must also be considered, as some regions have laws or policies that restrict VPN usage. Lastly, not all VPN services are equal in terms of security and privacy policies, so it's crucial to choose a reputable provider that offers strong encryption and a clear no-logs policy to keep your data secure. Now, let's talk about how to choose the right VPN for your needs. If you require fast, reliable access to geo-restricted content or need to bypass censorship, ensure the VPN has servers and regions that suit those purposes. Additionally, make sure it's compatible with the devices and operating systems you use, as some VPNs may not function properly across all platforms. Many VPNs also offer extra features, like split tunneling, which allows you to route some of your traffic through the VPN while leaving other activities on your regular connection, or ad blockers that improve browsing efficiency. It's also important to consider whether the VPN provides reliable customer support, especially if you're new to using one. Checking user reviews and expert recommendations can give you insight into overall performance and any potential issues. Ultimately, your choice should balance security with speed and functionality, depending on what you value most in a VPN. In conclusion, VPNs are powerful tools for enhancing your online privacy, security, and freedom. They provide encrypted connections, protect your data, and help you bypass geo-restrictions and censorship. However, it's essential to choose the right VPN based on your specific needs, considering factors like speed, compatibility, and additional features such as a kill switch or split tunneling. While VPNs offer numerous benefits, they also come with limitations like potential speed reductions and legal considerations. By understanding how VPNs work and carefully selecting a reputable provider, you can enjoy a safer and more private browsing experience. This marks the end of our exploration of VPNs. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Feel free to also check out our other videos on related topics. Thank you for watching.